Good morning, guys. It's Vlogmas day 2. I said yesterday that I wasn't going to be working today, but I'm here at the employee parking lot. I'm working the easiest trip in the history of trips. I'm working one leg to Philly, and we deadhead back, meaning I don't work the flight back. Hey guys, so I'm in the back alley. I'm in position 2. There's no service. Such a quick flight, and I ride as a passenger back. So honestly, this is the best trip ever. Hey guys, so I finally got a chance to go to Trader Joe's, and I got 2 big bags full of food for only $53. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. We have eggs, spinach, pineapple juice, lemon, mint dark chocolate, mini stars, oranges, balsamic vinaigrette, potatoes. These are my favorite croissants. I make those sandwiches with this chicken salad, stir fry, which I'm gonna probably make this tonight. My breakfast, some waffles. I like waffles better than pancakes. Chicken, potato pancakes. And last but not least, garlic naan bread. So yeah, this looks like a mess, but I got all this food so I can try to stop eating out and save some money. So yeah, working on the E190 today was super easy. It was just me and another flight attendant, and majority of the time it's me and 3 other flight attendants, so it's like kind of nice. It was just us 2. We sat down throughout the entire flight because it was only a 25-minute flight from Philly to LaGuardia. And then I saw my friend Tyler from training. He also had sit time, so we were just talking for a bit, catching up. And then I sat in Philly airport for 2 hours. I had some smash burger, which was pretty good. Headed back, went to Trader Joe's, and now I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night. I start my 3-day trip tomorrow. I have a layover in Miami and then Guatemala, which I'm super excited about Guatemala because I've never been there before. If you guys want to see those layovers, give this video a thumbs up. You guys also asked me a lot of really good questions on Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you go ahead and follow me. So I'll probably do a answering your DMs question type of video tomorrow, and then I will do another video on answering just YouTube comments and questions, because if not, it'll be a super long video and I'd rather just do them separately. And I had some really good questions, so if you guys have any questions, make sure to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, or you can comment them down below. And as always, if you guys enjoy my vlog, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.